Bonjour everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn French with Adhya. In this video, I'm back with one of the most important tenses in French, which is imperfect tense, and in French it's called imparfait, right? So this tense is used when describing a habitual, repeating, progressive or continuous action. This makes the tense imperfect tense since we don't know when or if it's finished. To make it more clear, let's differentiate between imperfect and perfect tense. In perfect tense, I would say I ate a mango. In imperfect tense, I would say I was eating a mango. Now, if you would see, the sentence for imperfect tense, I was eating a mango, does not give us any clue about when I finished eating mango or did I even finish eating mango? In English, this tense is called past continuous tense, since the action described in this tense is an action which should not get over or done at the time of describing or speaking. Thus, perfect means complete, and it's quite obvious what imperfect means now. It means incomplete. In English, we form it by was or were plus present participle. The present participle in that case would be ing ending, so like go, it will be going. Or eat, eating. So for example, she was eating, he was going. This tense is also used to start a scene in the script to show the setting of the show. For example, a teenage boy, Greg, was staring in frozen horror at a computer screen, the only source of illumination in the room. His sister was watching a movie with their mom in the hall when they started hearing weird sounds from Greg's room. So, how do we make the imperfect tense in French? We have to follow 3 steps, and the 3 steps are as follows. We first take the nous form of the verb, and then drop the ONS at the end, and then add the following endings. AIS for je, AIS for tu, AIT for iluel, IONS for nous, IEZ for vous, and IENT for iluel plural. However, you need to keep 2 things in mind. These rules apply for all the infinitives, ER, IR, and RE verbs. So there are no different rules, and these rules apply for all the 3 cases. So that makes it easy to learn. All the endings are pronounced the same despite the difference in their spellings. Now, let's conjugate a verb. Boire, which means to drink. Since it's an RE verb, we'll follow the steps we described above. First, we'll take the nous form of the verb, which is nous buvons. Then remove the ONS at the end, which would give us BUV. Now, these are the conjugations that we'll do respectively for je, tu, ilu, elle, nous, vous, iluel, by adding the endings that we discussed. The only one irregular imperfect verb is être, which means to be. And this is the conjugation of être. Last, but certainly not the least, we have 2 more things to keep in mind. The first one is related to the verb étudier, which means to study. So for its nous and vous imperfect form, we add an extra I as is shown over here. Nous étudions and vous étudiez, just to make the pronunciation more better. Second, preserving consonant sounds. So over here we have 2 verbs, manger and placer. For manger, except its nous and vous form, every other form has an extra E so that the pronunciation won't be manquer but manger. That's what we want. Secondly, for placer, except its nous and vous form, we have the cédille se in every other form. That's because we don't want the pronunciation to be plaqué but placer. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you understood what we wanted you to learn in this video. And if you did, make sure to give it a like button, share this video with everyone, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.